Okay, so you saw me unboxing this particular unit, okay, in the beginning of my video. Now, it came with this really cute bag, this white bag, and I love bags like this, you guys, that are labeled in particular, because that's how I store my units. So I know that it'll be easy to store my units back in this cute little white bag. It also came with a wig cap, you guys, which I think is definitely needed if you're someone like me who wears a lot of units and reviews a lot of wigs. So yeah, it also came with a cute flyer in it, and on the flyer it gives us the social media information, and it also gives us the website, the phone number, how to contact them. I would encourage you guys to just go and peruse, you know, go and look on the website. They have something for everyone, okay? So you don't want to miss out on that. And then something else that I thought was absolutely amazing is that it came with some really cute lashes. You guys, the lashes are really bomb. Let me open these lashes. So it came with these lashes, you guys, and these lashes are so gorgeous. I'm like, oh my goodness. This is like special occasion lashes. These are the type of lashes I'm going to definitely throw on for my special occasion, because they're so gorgeous. Look at them, they're so long and they curl up and they're fluffy looking.
On my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit grip.
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's good pipe. Bad bitch, I'ma ride a dick all night. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's good pipe. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. New wrist, new wig, right around dips. I can see why all these basic hoes pissed. Messy hoes like to pop shit. You the type that's fucking for the rent. All on another nigga dick. Hair ain't none with the do it on his face with a fizz. I'm a boss tycoon with the shit. Run it up, print it up, big bucks. Try your luck, none of my bitches been curved.
On my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit work.
How you like it, Dad?
Run it, run!
How you like it, Dad?
Run it back!
Like it, Dad?
Why you break it down like that?
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, you guys. Also, next to the subscribe button, there is a notification bell. Don't forget to hit the notification so you'll know each time I upload a video. I try to upload at least once a week. Sometimes it ends up being like, you know, every 2 weeks, but I am gonna try to be a little bit more consistent now, okay? All right, so let's get into this review, you guys. I just want to thank this particular company for sending me the synthetic unit to review on my channel. The company's name is LaBoss Beauty, you guys. It is beauty on a budget, and they not only sell synthetic units, They sell makeup, they sell eyelashes. I'm gonna leave all the details and the link to the website down below in the description bar, so go ahead and check that out. Now, this is a synthetic unit, you guys, but I know that they also sell human hair on their website, so if you're interested, go ahead and check them out. Now, let's get into the color, okay? This color is extremely rich, and that's what I love the most, honestly, about this particular unit, you guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like I am some type of, you know, superhero or something, you know what I mean? I am a sexy, just, you know, glammed up, diva-licious superhero with this particular unit on, you guys. And I was like, wait a minute. I was a little nervous, you know, because when the company contacted me, they asked me what I wanted, and so I looked at everything they had, and I was like, okay, let me step out the box, okay? And this is me stepping out of the box, you guys, okay? So I was like, let me try some purple hair. And I'm so happy that I did, you guys, because I think that the color really complements my chocolate skin. I'm sitting here like, I'm staring at myself, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I am so like amazed at the way this color looks. All right, so let's get into the review of this unit, okay? And so again, let me just talk to you about some of the things that I really like about it, okay? I love the color of this unit, you guys. For one, it is so rich and so deep on, I think it's just really, again, gorgeous, and it fits my skin complexion. I love the fact that it came with these bouncy curls. Like the curls are like, ah! Like I feel so glamorous. Something else I really like about this unit, you guys, is the fact that it comes with dark roots, okay? So it's not like purple, like from root to end. Something else I like about this hair is that it's not too shiny, you know? It's not like super shiny. So I was thinking I was gonna have to use my dry shampoo, because I typically have to use my dry shampoo on my synthetic unit, so it won't be so shiny. It's shiny, but it's like shiny in a good way. Like it's like, it looks like healthy. It doesn't look like plasticky, you know? That's exactly what, it doesn't look plastic, you know? Like, you know how some synthetic wigs from companies look plastic? This doesn't look plastic. This looks like healthy. I love the length. It's super duper long. Comes past my breast area, okay? Okay, so this is a synthetic unit, you guys, and I'm just going to label it one of my synthetic units that slay. Something else I like is that the shipping was extremely fast. Like it took like less than 3 days to get to my place. So I was like, okay, I like the shipping, I like the hair, I like the color. It's, you know, to me, it's just a win-win. If you have any questions about this unit, if you want to know more information, please leave those questions down below in the comment section, and I will be sure to answer it. All right, so don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias so you can see what I am up to when I am not here on YouTube. And I will see you in another video, all right? So go ahead and take care. Bye!
Rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. That bitch, I'ma ride a dick all night. Rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
That's your type, you know my type. I like a bitch and do the same, get her money right.